Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Blizzard. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in battle.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the official battle.net website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, hover over to the account icon at the top right and then click on the login button. You can then proceed with your social accounts or by entering your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to delete your account, you can look within the account settings, but there is no option to delete your account. So click on support at the top right corner, which will take you into the support page. Now click on contact support at the top right corner and then click on account, and you will be able to enter your query. Simply type in that you wish to delete your account and click on the continue button, and you might need to provide some further details such as your email address and your contact information. Once your message has been sent to the support team, you will need to wait for their response, within which you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your account. Just follow these instructions and your account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your account on Blizzard. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.